New Moon dominated this year's Comic-Con with cast interviews and new clips being released. You won't want to miss this one. Hi guys, I'm Dana Ward and this is Clevver TV. Once again, the hype around the Twilight Saga at the annual Comic-Con International was extreme. I mean, way extreme. Hundreds of fans camping out on the sidewalk the night before extreme. And an entire line-cutting controversy blossomed, causing a group of girls to hate on the so-called Twi Moms who were illegally holding places for more people at the front of the line. But getting back to the dish, followers got a special treat with your faves from the New Moon cast making an appearance. Apparently, fans started screaming when Summit Entertainment began the Twilight part of its panel, and the shrill cries continued until director Chris Weitz and the main players got on stage. Let's just say there were many chants of "I love you, Rob" and "I love you, Taylor" from the mostly female followers. Included in the panel was Robert Pattinson, Kristen Stewart, Taylor Lautner, and Ashley Greene. The group talked about shooting the movie as well as their characters. Lautner spoke about how his physical transformation was necessary in order to take on the mental and emotional growth of Jacob, reminding fans that he did it all for them. Then Pattinson joked about how he didn't have to prepare much at all. In fact, he spent a lot of his time in front of a green screen for Bella's dream sequences, looking into the camera expressionless. And because Bella somewhat loses Edward in the movie, Stewart said that her scenes were difficult and emotion-packed, adding that director Weitz played a pivotal role in helping her get there. The panel discussion also revealed some fun randomness about New Moon, like how Kristen twisted her ankle during shooting and how Taylor will deliver a line in the authentic language of his character's people. Some questions got asked by fans, and one in particular got Stewart saying she couldn't wait to actually get pregnant in the upcoming Saga shoot. Of course, she was poking fun at the crazy pregnancy rumor that spread about her recently. The entire audience definitely got the joke and laughed. Now, the best part for most Twilight fans was the two new film clips that got released at the Comic-Con panel. The first one dealt with Bella and Jacob. It's a scene where Jacob's coaching Bella on the motorcycle. There's definitely some chemistry and physical tension between the two as he touches her hands. Edward appears with screams from fans, only to be seen by Bella, and it ultimately causes her to crash the motorcycle. When Jacob rushes to her, Bella apologizes, and then he removes his shirt to take care of her head bleed. Yes, the audience went nuts. She says he's beautiful. You can sense that love is in the air, only to be broken when Jacob asks her how hard she hit her head. Now, another never-seen-before New Moon clip got released, and this one's intensely action-packed. It starts with Alice racing around Italy in the yellow Porsche in order to get Bella to stop Edward from stepping into the sun and exposing himself as a vampire. Bella races to try to find him, but it's insanely difficult as there's a giant crowd of people clad in red attire filling the streets, until she shouts, "Stop, stop, Edward, don't!" as we see a shirtless Edward emerging from under the clock tower. Now, what did you guys think about all of the New Moon happenings at this year's Comic-Con? Were you super pleased or at all disappointed? What's your favorite clip released? Let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment below. Thanks for tuning into the show. I'm Dana Ward, reminding you that you can always get all of your Twilight Saga news, gossip, and more right here at Clevver TV. See you soon.